Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start our first lesson, which is our glorious traditions. Glorious means praise or honoring your own traditions. Traditions means a belief that has been passed on from one generation to the another generation. nga zu phege la shuna ani traditions la na Suzuki Cuba la gere ro ani Cuba la to kaps la ni krang ki day to day la krang Suzuki cholam khedang tang ani Suzuki lukso zu yorwa lukso do tang ani nga zu ki ethics la do Suzuki moral values the ethics in solana Suzuki what is right and what is wrong la do ta din zo changma susula khawani shingi la nan krang ki parents ki thoni shingi ra di chungju in the comes the Suzuki phama ilap tu kapsla ta phama la khawani din ju kya traditions din ju khawani legyo la na Suzuki phama ni yan legyo ra ta din ju ki khade je na phama lan do da nga ju ki tradition di pass on cha thore forefathers ni ran do ta di Suzuki Cuba di la do ani Suzuki like che tang an Suzuki respect che tang honor che di keshin bu chak re ro an tarin ki lupsin di ani digi kot la res ani changwa thona ya butte ni siro chi lan shai ani so this letter was sent by a boy named Lobsang Sherpa of a Namuna school. He has written this letter to his friend named Linda, who lives in Canada and wanted to know about Nepalese customs and traditions. So here goes the letter like this. Dear Linda, I am really happy to know that you want to visit my country on your next holiday. I'm very impressed that you want to know about some of our important traditions. Writing to you about my tradition is a matter of pride for me because I love my customs and traditions. So, Linda la ani yish tangdu kapsla ni khande dosla la na kira next holiday last rani kurang ki le ki de chashi dos to di chashi dinga gi ha ko tu kapsla nga pe khau chung sung ra kirang gi ge nang lo line kirang gi lebe di chashi di ngarang khau chung sung ra and I'm very impressed la na ni sem la supu chung sung ra kirang gi nganzu ngarang ki ani kala gore Suzuki Cuba tan Suzuki luksu ko la kirang ki changa gi inde doba tun tu nga pet kurang gi sem la supu chung sung pe khau chung sung ra. Writing to you about my tradition is a matter of pride. In ngarang ki ani Suzuki custom the traditions ki ko la ani kirang la thie di da Suzuki ta khang la gore rang thong dos thong gi dos ra pride la na do pet kurang Suzuki powa ke chi do ta feeling di indeedly dos ra ni mina yang ngarang ina ya ne Suzuki luksu tan Suzuki Cuba dun la pe khao US Suzuki do Linda, our society is full of good and interesting traditions. People living in different communities have different customs and traditions. Let me tell you about some common traditions followed in our societies. To respect our elders and to treat our guests kindly is good aspect of our tradition. We have sayings like Aditi Devo Bhava and Guru Devo Bhava, which teach us to have great respect for guests, parents, and teachers. Ani shamba khande dosh la dolana ani manzu ki chizoti it's full of a goodness ra pet khran yakpo ta ani Suzuki changi thwe ki de Suzuki Cuba de yores ra tradition di nanglo la do ani people living in a different community have a different customs. So of course the ra ani community nanglo la da Nepal ki chi kya bai nan nganzu la kya ta ngishi senga ani ethnic groups la na number of people who share a different backgrounds rather community community ta mare na backgrounds who share a different who share a different backgrounds the background law yang nang anju ki phoba do in a background chik chak yu na ta di nang lo shemba du rai limbu tharu su ki community du su law yung ki res ro so din zo kya law yu tu kapsland quran chu ki ani luksu chidang dan quran ki khala sadang dan quran ki festival tang din zo chama law yung ki res ro tradition cuba din zo ina yang law yung ki res ro. Let me tell you about some common tradition ta di nang lo ni ani common lana ta chikpa follow chigyo slash to a common lana manjo changma ki accept che yu gyo di khande do australia na su chizo na la yu gyo di su ki kemba din so lani chigur che to respect our elders and to treat our guests lana su ki kunjo yang na nang la dombo lead wa din so la ina yang khala ore ni kushap che ta ni yapuchini chigur chadin zo ani susiki cuba nalo lainde ta respect chadi your is ra it's a good aspect lana features like it ra yana characteristics is la nganjuki traditions ki nanglo la ta so yugyo shitwa we have sayings like nganjula sayings khande do shela nan susiki atithi deva bhava tang ani guru deva bhava atithi lana nganjuki dombo like it ra guest in zalan susiki bet kurang chigur chembo cha tang ani suzuki phama tang guru deva bawala na suzuki higin tang ani phama tin chulan suzuki chigur chadi years ra. We have a festival like Baitika that means the bond between the brothers and sisters are stronger. So Nepali nanglo la ngajuki tujen khasta mangbo yura da di nanglo la tujen khak chik di khande rela na Baitika ngajuki tihar din su kapla Baitika din su chuki wa Suzuki bai tang and Suzuki aja tang and Suzuki tiga chuan sto and diki khande do ropa do pink khande do shuen la ani quran ni ki la ani khan la ore da relationships ji yungi ra Suzuki dewa di ani pet quran gyaru tu gi res rani stronger relationships yungi res. Our tradition of eating gyu chaku on the first day of Magi gives heat and strength to our body. On the occasion of various festivals, we fast is also good for health. The Nevari community, the monks is never community, so Pale Ra, and Pale community, Nevari community, so Sankranti de la Tuakuranki, Tuji, Sankranti Magi Sankranti like Ra. Magi Sankranti kapsla khande do chi lana Quran chuki gyu chaku sagires wa ani gyu chaku digi ani khang chi ki dulana manjola hit lana ta chote tang ani supu leina yang ani strength lana ani top lai do tang ju ki shuk te tang nupa te ju chi res ra ta gyu chaku lawa inan kiran ki karma lai do ju ki karma type la ta di sugar can ni boil chicken ni ani mixture di ingredients the in the so di nanglo lani Suzuki nuts freaks to ata ngajiki nuts freaks jo sama mix chini ani sueta laddu tap to sugi ro anta this sanani crown la hit tang ani strength tiki to usra the festivals the ani didu cups la khande to je chigi lana ani crown ki fasting do ani khala masa ni the do tang ata dinjo ki khang do chigi lana ani Suzuki Lulaina Tangbo Chen, Semba Tanzulina, Kipo Tang, Sugi Res Ra Morang in the dosh, Korangu in the dosh, Dishi kept the water, Linda Padla. However, some traditions have created problems in our societies. Some people are accused of being witches and harassed. Some are discriminated on the basis of caste and are not allowed to draw water from the well. Untouchability, discrimination between son and daughter, and rich and poor and caste systems are also bad practice in our society. They are not allowed to visit the temple. The morang Quran ki dishi khande dosh kablana ta yapu ko la ladwan Quran ki yapu lana Suzuki nganzu lungba nanglo la ni Suzuki communities the differences yo ina yang Suzuki changma ki thoni common features the khande do chungil lana changma ki khemba dunjula respect kushap che do tang 아니 수수기 칸라오라다 festivals nang shinki ta festival kurang inestana festivals ki ko laina ya kurang gi tishi do dung skap do ta nyam de la festival chipo me ba ni yang problems ti khang ka yung gi do ta nga chi so nang la ya ko yung gi re ro tu ja ina yung gi re sta chi so nang la kurang ki kangi din kurang gi tis la do ta kangi de khande do stand na some traditions have created a problem the tradition like in the cuba ni le gyo ra ta thanda gi chungjo dun zu mare ta nga gi thanda gi ke do shkya den zu do language do den zu tang den zu changma thanda rang gi nga zu ke ni rang nga zu gi chungjo dun zu mare ran di ngoma ni kuram ngoma ni generation to generation li chungjo dun zu res wa ta den zu indu kaps la ta traditions renga ki ta cuba renga ki kangi khande do chi le la na chi zo nang lo la ro some people are accused lana blame chu ro shimba la no kap tu kapsla shimba de la mi shimba de la nunju chu ro of being witches and harassed tang ju ki witches lan tang ju ngoni shina witch lan ta tumo do sto ta ku ji ki che di chi dang din zu do ta tis chi kala ja du type do ta nja jo thong ro so in the do chi thong tu kapslan khuzula blame chi che kirang ki nunju di nunju chu we tang and harass chi restaurant ta harass na ta too much demand chi ne kirang ki chi dang de dig mi du la di pa mi la pressure di mang bo te tu kapslan mi di bet kurang irritate chakirwa so in the chi rules ra suzuki cuba now in the young jurors ra some are discriminated on the basis of being caste so kashi khade dos dulana ani discriminated lana yewa chewa suzuki caste lana rig lai do ta rig thwa tang rig ma wa tang da rong nepali cultures now lo in the year ra rig thwa lana ta brahmins tang Chetris so tang ju la this shi thwa do chi do ani rig ma wala la tu kaps la ta Nepali lan lai do khurang ki rig renga la ni renga la ya sunar do on ju lai gi ro so inde la ni rig dun ju la ni ever che do ta ni di chi po me ba ni ta di prevalent ta yo mare te na khashin la na ta ngi tong thuk ni ta ngan ju ki totally abolished or chere the rig khachi on the basis of rig lang anju ki discrimination ju chiki male and ngi don took la chere ra hina yang it's still prevalent in the village area of Nepal right so tado ina yang yures ra khazan recently even chik cha yore ro unfortunate even nang lo la phunga tang ani main character puchi yore ro kurang tuk di ani even the chani ani last la kyumje ko dirang re do last la kurang re ki inde che ani kurang ki phumu shemba la lenga daw do ni kurang ki ta girlfriend lai do an kimi swe yi lan da kurang ki lenga daw do ani kurang ki gaung shemba ki ani midin zu ki maga ne ani kurang la khang la ta tesha tang che an tesha tang to kapslan chu chang bo nzo la le ne ani chiki khere do tang da sopa da even chik tukja chi cha to ra ni pudin chu changma tong re ro shugla so nga ju ki ta di recent lockdown ka ji tu la rang chak kyo re nga ju ki ni dong tu ni abolish July 5 ra ki June 5 la chik la abolish cha re ta cha la chi pu chaki to ta di practice di implement cha di pe khak pu chaki khas la ta di traditionally le the kyo re ma shi tan da nga ju ki ke ni chung gyo nzo ma re swa so dinzo discrimination che do tang ani nga ju ki gaung do le na da khande do shwe la na chi nang lo ni chi len do nzu do ta nga ju ki chi len ko yo na ni thomba ni chi le ma ju ge do tang da dinzo yer ro chu tung tu ani mi la chu te le ga chi ge nzu la chu te ta dinzo chi tu ina ya meter distance sha na ni chu te do tang touch ma ji ni do untouchability discriminations between son and daughter and rich and poor caste system are also bad practice in our societies untouchabilities lana ta rigma lani changi me lai sto anju ki rig dilma lana chune jat lai chunu dina lai do ta shiba rig jula nyap ki mere lai inde ta utang ani puta phomo yewa che tang ani chupu ta nyam chung che ani ka system din je yakpo yo mares ro bad practice din anju ki chi so na lo la practice din je ka bad practice chaki res ro practice lana susiki lale tar ro to di lale tar di la di yapo yo mare lan kurang ki sew to ne ni la doa they are not allowed to visit a temple right to ta khurang chu ki ani ta low caste to ta dinzo la khang allowed chaki marila na khurang chu la mandir dinzo la ta temple la na mandir la ki ra mandir dinzo la na la jo choi ki khurang la choshin yo mares ra. We believe in ghosts and evil spirit. When people get sick, we blame it on evil spirit or see it as the curse of our divine spirit. We take the sick to the shamans, dami jankri, instead of the doctors. We must not blindly follow such tradition. We must remove such practices. My grandfather says that love for traditions has never weakened our society or nation. Indeed, it has strengthened nation in the hour of danger. The this sangma suzuki cuba la indu kapsla doa kran chuki yije din chu khawa do la chi la na the ghost la na nganju ki thongte lai doa ta thongte do ta and evil spirit la na nganju ki atma lai doa ta rongbai ki chik la shuna doa atma che evil la na ta de lai doa de gi namshi la ta spirit la na namshi ro nganju ki namshi de gi namshi do ta an thongte do ta din ju la kran chuki yije chi res ro even thanda chi re kran chuki ro ani kranki nepal do chawe na ni kranki khawala ta nganji ki yala ki wala I do ta dishine nganju na sung lai chua khawala di like blame do chi la na evil spirit la na de den zo la ro yana kranki khang do like la na o di nganju la curse le lai chua curse la na mu kya re lai do momo capres draw divine spirit la na lagi nganjo la momo capture re do ta inde ki khurang ki thinking de inde do share res draw ta dinjo changma suzuki cuba ni legyo re ma shi thanda chungyo njo ma res draw. We take the sick people to the shaman la na labap ki never chautu kapsla khawa dui la na shamans la dui res draw nepali thola khan lagi la na dami jagri lagi re nganjo ina labap ki lai do Dr. Chalamandu and direct how do you shamans la visit chi restro. We must not blindly follow such tradition. That in the traditions taught in Zomanjuki follow chigi marestra. The ngoma ki toning on in the chigi tradition sangmanjuki in the follow chia mare ni yabu merestra. A kang hakura that in the process cups lata me nach ni ngajuki direct daughter la mando shamans la doni digi in the process nanglo la mi tona and tsara. So tanda nganju ki khogap nju yutu ra doctors tang and healthcare workers nju ki nganju la facilities nju yutu kapsla nganju ki pheju tang di khechumbu chakye restra. We must remove such practices and nganju ki tinju practice nju do lega chigo tinju practice nju nganju ki remove chigo restra megyo tang restra. My grandfather says that love for traditions has never weakened our society or nation. Indeed, it has strengthened nations in hour of danger. And Kranki, Lobsang Sherpa ki khang lagi dulana. Kranki popo rata grandfather lana popo ki khang lagi dulana. Love for the tradition. Suzuki Cuba la seva di ani nam yang ani khang lagore weekend lana kyuru kyuru chama sonsra nuba lana da weekend lana da kyuru drama sonsra Suzuki khala ore Suzuki chizo tang and Suzuki kegap ki la tsewa tang dile de khatu na namdu kyuru chama sonsra. Indeed it has strengthened in the hour of the danger. The tuzu possibility that sometime tuzu tukja the chora kurang kapsla da den tuzu tukja kapsla manzula khare shuk chenbu laurigi khan laurda shuk down the lead those rather strengthen lana shuk chiru tong shuk songs ra zangi ngajula shuk chiru dang indeki positive vibes the less songs run popu ki inde lagi do lan kuran ki inde ladwa. Linda, I'll tell you more about my tradition when you come to Nepal. The Kran Nepal le tu kapslan mi thado ya mangru lago strang ngaranki Cuba dinsugi ko lan mangru lago ladwa. Let me know some interesting things about your traditions and Kirangi traditions ki kolan Kirangi Cuba kolan khande do shuna di ki kolan la ro chida lanen rangi in this ladwa later did so songs ra with regards with best regards lobsang kirang chu sangot na ya kutini go chue gi ani molam years ra antu china